What's up, Survive Squad? Want to reduce your snoring? This clip's gonna show you how. First, we need to know what's the cause.
When you sleep, the soft stuff in the back of your throat can vibrate.
Annoying, I know. But that tissue can block your airway, causing you to stop breathing. That's called sleep apnea. And it's no joke. So, what's the secret to shutting down the snore factory? Well, researchers from Switzerland got an Ig Nobel Prize for figuring out that playing the didgeridoo helps. That's a long tube-like instrument from Australia. Turns out playing the didgeridoo strengthens your tongue and throat muscles. Lucky for you, you don't need to order one online. Here's a quick and easy workout you can do right now. Want to do it along with me? Just remember up, down, left, right. Here we go. Up. Push your tongue hard against the roof of your mouth. I'm showing you with an open mouth, but you can do it with your mouth closed to not freak people out. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't push too hard. Stop if it hurts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Now press your tongue against the bottom of your mouth. Hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left. Push your tongue into your left cheek. Hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can even use your finger on the outside of your cheek for extra resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Same thing on the right side. Push your tongue into your right cheek. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Up, down, left, right. Do this every day for 2 months, and studies show over 50% of people snore less. You can do this exercise pretty much anywhere. On your coffee break, while you're watching TV, whatever. Just probably not while you're talking or hitting the gym. You might bite your tongue. No fun. Give it a try, and let me know how it's working for you in 2 months. See you next time on Survive Squad. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tips.